Write. Write. I like to write stories. Throw. Throw. He can throw the ball far. Sleep. Sleep. The baby is sleeping now. Mix. Mix. She will mix the salad. Sew. Sew. My mum can sew beautiful dresses. Ride. Ride. They ride their bikes to school. Climb. Climb. The boy climbs the tree quickly. Walk. Walk. We walk to the park every day. Cook. Cook. Dad cooks dinner for the family. Comb. Comb. She combs her hair every morning. If you enjoy the content on this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we upload new videos. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content just for you.